Welcome back to Fred Tech Invest. Today I'm in with Android tips that you can use to save your privacy and your battery life. So let's start with one of the most important Android settings. Many apps continue to access your location even when we are not using them. This can reduce your privacy and drain your battery. To check this, open your settings, tap location, then app permission. Review each app and change its permission to only while using the app, or don't allow it if it doesn't need your location. It is simple. Change that can make your phone more secure and efficient. So now let's do it in the practical way. So I'll go to my settings. I have my settings at the top here. I'll click on my settings. Then I'll search for locations. I'll search for location. Let's search for apps and permission apps. Okay, here's my apps. Permissions. So I'll click on permissions. Permissions. You see, you scroll down here. You have location. My location is here. So I'll tap on my location. So these are the apps at the top here. These are the apps that are allowed to access my location. So at this moment, I will say it's already set to allow all the time. But now I'm changing it from allow all the time to allow only while using the app. So I'll put it here. If you do not use the basic features, your device may no longer function. I'll put it there, you see, and I'll go back. You see. And these are apps that are denied not to access my location. So this one too, I'll add this one to allow while using the app. I'll add it to it because it's important to be there. And what else? I think that's all. So maybe if you have any apps listed here that you don't want them to access your location, you just tap on the app and you click on deny. Then that's all. It will leave. Like camera like this. Maybe you can let's do like Xender like this. So I don't need it to access my location, so I click on deny. So that's all. It will leave there. So these are some of the ways that you can do to save your privacy and improve your battery life. And also I'll be making more videos about tech and how to make your phone more easy for you to use, how to secure your phone in a better way that no one can get access to your device or no one can get access to your private messages, chats and things. So kindly hit the subscribe button for more videos on this, and I'll promise you that I'll be dropping more on tech, on mobile phones, privacies, WhatsApp privacies, and many more. Kindly like and subscribe. Share it to your family member. Those that need to see this, share it to them. Thank you.